Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to generate watershed from DEM using global mapper. So to get started, you need to load in your DEM file, come to open data files, you navigate to the folder where you have your DEM file, you select it and you click on open. So here is my DEM file. Alright, so when you load in your data, you come to terrain analysis, click on that, then you navigate to generate watershed, you click on that. So it will bring out this option, so you can actually modify this layer description. If yours is just showing drainage network only, you can slash it with watershed. So yes, some other settings can be modified based on your interest. The stream cell count, you can modify this based on how large your data or your area is, right? Your DMT file. Or you can select these options, the stream drainage area, and reset these units, okay, based on your interest. Then you select back the stream cell count, okay. And also, if you have actually identified a common outlet, you can choose this option to trace flow from selected point. That is, you can define water outlets common source from your study area, okay. Then every other thing you can actually work on it based on your interests, to change units and all that. So when you are done with any settings that you want to do, I'm just going to leave it on default based on this video. Then you click on OK. So it's going to generate you the watershed just like what you can see on the screen. Alright, so this is the watershed of this study area. Then you can come to the plus sign under the watershed stroke drainage network. Click on the plus sign to see the other options there. So each polygonized feature is standing for an area in square kilometer or hectares, depending on what you have actually set it up for. Alright, so you can uncheck one layer to view the other layers. So let me just uncheck this to have a better understanding of the drainage or stream network. Okay, so that is just the idea. You can view this in 3D, okay, for better visualization by clicking on the 3D icon here. And it's going to bring it out, and you can have a better view. Okay, so that is just the idea, using global mapper to create a watershed. So that's just how to use global mapper. For full understanding of what watershed delineation is all about, you can check the description of this video to see a link on the video where I explain in details what all this analysis is all about. Thank you for watching. If you find the video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon and turn on your notification to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.